Good, everybody? It's H back with another video. We just finished up another 12 Hub Sneaker podcast, and I actually whipped these shoes out on the pod and thought I was going to be pleasantly surprised, but I wasn't. You can see in the box, it's a Stüssy and Nike collab. This is the Stüssy / Nike Bortoro retro, like ACG special edition collaboration hiking boot sneaker looking thing. Let's get right into it. Yeah, Stussy and Nike have had a pretty good history of good collaborations, so I'm happy with a lot of the stuff I have gotten from them. Like my favorite ones, and this is a little bit of an odd take, but the Stussy Nike Air Force One mids that came out maybe 2 or 3 years ago. The black and white pair are sick quality, lovely shoe. Probably one of the best mids that's come out in recent history, alongside those chocolate mids that came out maybe in 2022, 23, I think. You know, they had the Kokinis, the Spiridons, which were very dope, and that kind of set the trend. There have been a lot of really good Nike Stussy collabs. People complain about quality. I have not had bad quality ones up until today. It's pretty subjective, like if you like the thing and whatever. So this silhouette I never even heard of. It's like one of those, I believe, early 2000s type of shoes. And people have told me that, you know, it's a nice silhouette. It kind of has this athletic vibe and / maybe basketball shoe vibe to it, which I can see. Just the box. This is like the average Stussy Nike boxing, right? And the shoe. Let's pull them both out. I pulled out one on the pod and was, like I said, very disappointed. The paper, like Stussy puts this like whatever paper. It's nothing special. I don't even care. All right. I have the smallest space in the world. If you ever came to my studio, for this type of filming, you'd be surprised like how I fit it all into one area. So get in here. Here's the shoes. Okay, right out the box, nothing crazy. This is the black pair. They had a wheat pair that was actually arguably better looking. Now, when I first pulled this out, I was like, damn, this looks like something I'm familiar with. It does look like it. Air Darwin, 1994, I think, the Dennis Rodman shoe. I think he wore it while he was playing for the Spurs. One of my favorite silhouettes, one of my favorite basketball shoes ever. And this kind of looks like it. You reverse the swoosh on this. This panel here, the way the back is shaped, kind of. It's just, I mean, I don't have a Darwin right now in front of me, but it kind of resembles that. And I could be wrong, but I feel like I'm right. This shoe came like this, okay? This is straight out the box. So as you can see, it looks kind of weird. So I'm just gonna point out the flaws first. This is the one I showed off on the podcast. First off, boom, stitching, ripping right there. There's a gash right in the damn leather, right in the front toe box. Now, if that could focus please. You will see there's a little tiny gash in the leather. It looks like somebody took a blade to these and whatnot. Now, I know I could just take some shoe polish. This one looks like it's been worn, to be honest with you. Look at this. It's already creased up out the box. Like there's little creases, and this is straight out, and it still has the paper. Has the paper in it? This one don't have paper. Oh yeah, it does. It has paper in it. Yeah, so all of this is the shoe. All right. I love the Stussy hit in the back. Always dope with the Stussy. Other than that, it's pretty damn plain. Now the wheat one looks better aesthetically just because of the you know, the wheat color is always cool. But this, like, from a quality standpoint, like the glue marks, there's tons of glue marks on this one. So it's like they didn't really put much out. Why? Like, it's weird how this side is just plain. This side has a swoosh. Stussy's the only hit here. Usually they do something with the tongue. They didn't do anything on the tongue here. It's like there's nothing on the tongue. This literally looks like a fucking Walmart work boot or something. And it's, you know, like a nice Walmart work boot with a Nike check on it. But this is the only fire little hit you get right here. I keep going on with the video. My channel ain't monetized yet, so I really don't care at this point. But this bad boy is tough as far as judging it. I want to like it, but how can you go wrong? Like, you doing the jokes, this is a great shoe, you know? to do one in. It's definitely a little, I can tell it's a little wide foot friendly. I went true to size. I haven't tried these on yet, but it looks fine to me because, you know, it's a little wider around the midfoot. Got like a solid front toe box. Back looks solid. The traction is definitely screaming, walk with me in the snow. The build of the shoes screaming, once I get wet, my sock is gonna get wet. And this will start peeling after a while. It just looks so cheap. And I looked up a bit of the history on this particular hiking boot and stuff. It was a colorful shoe at the time. It was one of those more fashionable type of silhouettes that they tried to dress up a lot with things. So I don't know, man. I look, just because the other colorway I like more, I got this one. I'm gonna give this a very forgiving 4, mainly because I don't like wearing black shoes. That's one. Number 2, all the factory defects I'm seeing on the shoe in the now. Like I said, put some black shoe polish on this joint and it'll probably like shine, but it looks like somebody tried it on already and they just shipped it to me because like the paper, for real, I got this off of Nike, so trust that you think it would be like in good shape, but it's not. The paper was kind of messed up. It was like ripped and stuff. So I'm wondering, I don't know, would they try it on? Do people try on these shoes before they leave the factory? I don't even know. But look, this is what I got in the mail. I'm gonna keep them. You know, Car said I should return them, but I'm not gonna return them. I'm gonna keep them and do something with them. You know, maybe rock them out. Maybe go black on black with it. And that's it. If you like the shoe, tell me in the comments below. If you think this is your type of shoe, tell me below. But like honestly, for what I paid for them, I definitely see these being like $70 on the resale market later on. If I do put it on, I do like it on feet. I might cop another pair just to have a junker pair. You know what I mean? Throw in a corner, walk the dog with, or whatever. Or I could always return these. That's always an option. So I will be at the outlets this weekend. It might be an option. Actually, it might be the option. Now I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm out. Yeah, none of us picked up anything last week.
It's been quiet, man.
I picked up the
Nothing's dropping.
The Bolsonaros.
Bortoros, fool?
Oh. What's Bolsonaro? Oh, that's the guy. That's the dictator.
I'm like, what the hell shoe is that?
The Bolsonaro. Bolsonaro is the dictator of Brazil. Yeah, I got
this is why people don't take us seriously. This is why, because we don't read the shoe tag. This is why.
This shoe, I got the black one. This is the first time I look at it.
Yo, my dad used to have those shoes when he was in the military.
Now, the quality control on this is really shitty. Look at this.
The quality control on a mass-produced Nike shoe wasn't good. You sure?
There's literal like scabs in the stab. The stitching is coming out here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Oh,
your pair fake. That's why.
Look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
Right here. Right up here. That. Yep. And the stitching right here is coming out. I just took it out of the box just now. The leather is buttery soft though. I like it. I might wear these. I mean, these look good. Actually, it matches what I'm wearing right now.
I don't like.
Does it really match, or is it one of those colorblind situations for you?
No, it's black on black.
Oh, okay, I just wanted to make sure because that might have been like a Navy SEAL Otter iridescent jacket you wearing. So that's
Jaboa's Supreme.